Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you're checking this video out. This is your man, Guru JD Olson here with another video. I'm going to do a double stick video. I just came back from a Guro Dan Inosanto seminar down in Atlanta to train with the masters. I thought, hey, why don't I do a video on this and help you guys at home so you guys can work what we call the 6-count series. So let's get right into this because we got a lot of stuff to cover in a little bit of time. Let's go. All forehands first. And again, I'm going to have at the bottom here which combination we're doing. So you have forehand, 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 forehand. It's kind of hard to see this when it's all on the high line. So if I go forehand, forehand, forehand with the high, low, high, it's a little bit easier to track. Okay? And that is all forehands. Now I want to jump into forehand, forehand, backhand. Forehand, pull it through, forehand, retract, forehand, pull it through. Forehand, forehand, backhand. Forehand, forehand, backhand. And you get the idea. Okay? One more time. Forehand, 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 backhand. That's going to take us to what we call FBB. Forehand, backhand, backhand. So this time I chamber on one side, pull it through, retract it back. Pull it through, retract it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or forehand, backhand, backhand, forehand, backhand, backhand. Whenever we're doing these, the key thing here is the same stick cannot hit 2 times in a row. So if I'm here, it's right, left, right, left, right, left. We cannot go like that. It's not forehand, backhand, backhand, because that messes up everything I try to do. That puts at the end of the series, the forehand starting it, which is forehand, backhand, forehand. So now I go forehand, backhand, forehand, forehand, backhand, forehand. It doesn't have to go all the way around your head. You could umbrella. You could just loop it right in front of you, okay? Or you could come behind your head, or you could retract it back. Any of these are acceptable. It's just the goal is to have a forehand hit, a backhand hit, a forehand hit, a forehand hit, a backhand hit, and a forehand hit. And the way I remember this is I think of triple hits on the same line. I'm hitting that same line 3 times on angle 1, angle 2. And now we have to go to the, what I refer to as kind of like the advanced side, or at least the intermediate side, which is where we initiate with the backhands. Okay? And so the first backhand is a little weird to me. It's not one I use very often. I only use it for teaching, but it's where I kind of come around backhand, 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 backhand. Much like when we had the forehands, now right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is all backhands. Then we go into backhand, forehand, backhand. And so what's going to happen is as you're here, you go backhand, forehand, backhand, backhand, forehand, backhand. I'm using that looping hit to come around my head, and then I hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now we're going to talk about backhand, backhand, forehand. So now I'm going to start here. I'm going to go backhand, backhand, forehand. Backhand, backhand, forehand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left, right, left, right, left, right. And you've already done this. It's just having 6, but starting on the other line or starting on the other beat. When I went here, forehand, backhand, backhand, and chambered, forehand, backhand, backhand. The only difference is now we're starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could also backhand, backhand, forehand, backhand, backhand, forehand, backhand, backhand, forehand. And then last but not least, you have backhand, forehand, forehand. That's going to go backhand, forehand, pull it through, forehand, pull it back. Backhand, pull it through, forehand, backhand, forehand, forehand, backhand, forehand, forehand, backhand, forehand, forehand. So that is the 6 count all on the heaven line. You now have everything in the basic idea of that. And so when we're looking at heaven 6, okay, you would have high, 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 high. Or you could go high, low, high, high, low, high. Low, high, low, chamber, low, high, low, chamber. Low, high, low, low, high, low. We almost never do that in seminar. In all the training I've done, I've never really done that. So it's not something I've worked on a whole lot. But it's just there so you guys can see it. And then finally you have the all lows. So this time you would go low, 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 low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But I just really wanted to break down the combinations, the 6 counts in the different ways. That way, if you do go to a seminar, if you do train Filipino martial arts, you'll have the idea and the option to work with it. Understand, in the beginning, it's going to take some time to build up your patterns, and then you have to break the patterns in order to keep going. Otherwise, you're going to get stuck. And I was stuck for a long time where it's like, oh, how do I make this one work? And it was just because I didn't break it up enough. But once you start breaking up, it's easy to switch it back and forth. Well, cool. There you guys have it. There is the 6 count series when it comes to double stick. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do me a favor, if you liked the video, hit that like button. If you like the stuff you see on the channel, subscribe to the channel. And last but not least, if you know someone else who's training Filipino martial arts or whatever, you can share this video with them to help them out. So again, if they're at a seminar, if they're doing Filipino weapons training, they can also take advantage of this video. Awesome. We'll see you guys later. Stay safe. This is JD, and I'm out.